Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. In Python, the int function is used to convert a string or a number to an integer. If you want to find the source code of the int function, you can follow these steps. Step 1. Import the inspect module. The inspect module in Python allows you to access the source code of functions and classes. Import it at the beginning of your Python script or in your Python interactive environment. Step 2. Locate the int function. To find the source code of the int function, you need to first locate where it is defined. The int function is a built-in Python function, so its source code is not directly accessible as a Python file. However, you can access the source code from the built-in functions module. You can find it in the builtins module. Step 3. Access the source code. You can use the inspect.getsource function to retrieve the source code of the int function. Here's how you can do it. When you run this code, you will see the source code of the int function printed to your console. It will look something like this. This is the source code of the int function, which shows you how it is defined and includes a docstring that explains its behavior. Keep in mind that the int function is part of the Python interpreter, and its source code may vary slightly between different Python versions. This method is suitable for inspecting built-in functions, classes, and modules. ChatGPT.